Hey guys, JC here with Thumper Fab, and bringing something pretty special today because we're about to change the game. We've been working on this for a while. This is Polaris Ranger XP 1000. Y'all can see this is sporting some pretty serious meats here. These tires are 35-inch tires, and they clear. We've been out riding, driving. We managed to fit a 35-inch tall tire. How did we do that? So let's check it out. Up front, of course, we've all had forward control arms before. We've had nothing new there, but we've paired a forward control arm with a lift kit and our boxed forward control arm. But what is revolutionary about this whole design is what we've done down here on the lower ball joint. Delete. That's right, we just deleted it. To be able to get the strength that we need, we used our boxed A-arms, and we had to get rid of the weak point. We had to get rid of the lower ball joint. It gives us the strength that we need to run this massive tire on this setup. It's massive. It does clear. We've done all of our testing with basically the extreme, a 35-inch tall tire. So that really makes sure that we get the strength that we need and the strength that we want to be able to reliably run a 35, but, you know, a 32, a 33 is going to look fantastic on this setup as well. And it's got to give you the strength you've never had before. That was a very common problem when we started down this road of design, is what do we do with this lower ball joint? Even the heavy-duty ball joints for this lower ball joint design, it's still a weak point, and it limits a lot on what you can add there as strength on that lower control arm. I'll show you one more shot of this thing. It's just massive. Go check out a comparison video we did of what this size looks like compared to a stock arm or even some of the competition out there. There is just not anything strength-wise that compares in that control arm and in that ball joint housing. So we just decided to get rid of the weak link, put the biggest tire possible on this thing, and take it out and run it. Stay tuned. We've got some more stuff coming. Check us out, thumperfab.com. Thanks, guys.